Hello friends, so welcome to Durga and welcome to Python course. Okay, so not required to explain about myself because the trainer is not that much important, but concept is very important, I'm sure. Okay, myself just Durga. Okay, I for the last 1.5 year or 2 years, so I'm handling these Python sessions. Okay, now so especially for this batch, I mean for this cycle, so we are in a position to discuss everything whatever you required related to Python side to start your career in the software company. Whatever required, we are in the position to guide you, to teach you properly, confidently, sir. Remember that. So what things you can expect from us? Okay, sir. First Python course we are going to discuss. Just you people should have the basic idea about what courses are there or what things I have to learn to start my career in the software companies. Okay, so we will first start. I will start our cinema with the Python course. Do you know? Just almost around 20 to 25 topics we are going to discuss. Yeah, the part of this one, sir. Almost your core Python, advanced Python, all the things, sir. We are going to use related to this course, sir. After completing this one, okay, just the Python course, almost around 2 to 3 months, around 2 to 3 months, mostly max 3 months, 2 to 3 months around. Okay, we require to do this course, sir. Once this course if you complete, then you will have multiple opportunities in your hand. What is the, I mean, multiple doors are going to be open to start your career in the software. So the first thing you can go, sir, after completing this Python course, what about next cinema? Okay, sir, if you learn Django and REST API, just observe the Django REST API. Okay, now you people will become web developers. Remember that you people will become web developers, right? Okay, if you want to, sir, develop your own web applications. Okay, sir, after completing this Python course, you have to learn the Django and the REST API. You will become, sir, web developers, right? Okay, one opportunity. The second opportunity, sir, if you are going to learn Selenium, then you will become, of course, if you want to move to the testing side, if you want to start your career as a tester, then automatically after completing this course, sir, Selenium, you require to do that. Now you will become, sir, testers. Remember that, sir. Okay, this is second opportunity, right? Next, these days, very big boom. Everywhere the people are going to use. Everywhere the people are talking about this one, data science. Are you getting data science? If you are going to learn this data science, you will become data scientist. Are you getting? So what is the first thing? Anyway, if you want to go for either data science or Python with Selenium or otherwise Django and the rest of framework, if you want to develop web applications, sir, by using Django and REST API, all these things are compulsory, sir, based on this course only. Okay, remember that. So first, if you are going to learn this one, then based on your interest, either you can go to, okay, web development side, you can go to testing side, or you can go to data science side. So data science is a big n number of opportunities are there. Machine learning, deep learning, AI, okay, AI, robotics, like there are multiple opportunities by default will come at the part of this data science. Remember that, sir. But for all these things, which one is the base? Is our Python course itself is the basis, sir. You people should have clear clarity about this one, sir. Okay, like yes, security, ethical hacking, pen testing, whatever, Shahid, sir, whatever you are feeling, whatever you are feeling related to, sir, any application area based on the Python, yes, this course itself acts as a base what we are going to start. Remember that. Okay, sir, up to this, any doubt? Ayyo, please respond. Up to this, any doubt? Okay, sir, now one small point I have to discuss. Just aware, observe that carefully, sir. So now I want to develop a small chota standalone application. Standalone application. Just observe. I want to develop a small chota standalone application to read the two numbers from the keyboard. Observe that I want to write a program to read two numbers from the keyboard, two numbers from the keyboard and print their sum. Just aware this print their sum. Just have a look once, sir. Write a program to read two numbers from the keyboard and print their sum. Okay, like that. Sir, I want to start a small program by using Python, sir. So first, before going for the Python program, just you people should be aware. So if you want to learn Python, sir, what is the prerequisite? I don't know any programming language. Sir, I'm completely new to the programming. I'm completely new. I don't know any C language or C++. I don't know all these, sir. Sir, my previous area is different. Okay, like, sir, to learn Python, nothing is required. Remember this one, sir. What is that? To learn Python, nothing is required. Okay, just if you are able to read English, that thing is more enough to learn Python. It is purely kids programming language is Python, sir. Are you getting right, Sandeep? Yes. Okay, it's a purely okay, it's a purely what we call kids programming language. If you have any kids are there, sir, who are studying some second standard, third standard, second standard, third standard, like better to bring your kids also to this session. Definitely, if you are getting any doubt, your kids can clarify. Remember that. Okay, so that much easy programming language we are going to discuss. Nothing will be there, sir. Okay, please make sure you people should have clear clarity about this one. Nothing will be there. Next, sir, C language and Python. C language and Python, which is a very easy. C language and Python, which is a very easy. Yes, sir. Python is a very easy. C language is the most toughest programming language. Remember that C language is the most difficult. Python is the most easiest programming language. Next and after that, if you consider Java and Python, Java and Python, or otherwise C# and Python, C#.NET and Python. Sir, in the world, any programming language and Python is the most easiest programming language. Believe me, sir. Sir, you are not required to know anything about programming. You are not required to know any previous programming languages. Any existing programming knowledge not required to attend these things, right? Okay, clear for all of you? Are you getting the point? Okay, well, sir, now just take a bit very special care. I want to write a small program to get basic idea. But anyway, don't worry, sir. I will explain all these things in detail within 3 or 4 sessions. Obviously, you can able to understand. Just my intention is, sir, what web application, what is the need of REST API, what is the need of, okay, just small Python programs, how you can write, just a small idea I want to take, sir. Here I'm taking, just observe a small editor, how to use this basic editor. I will discuss nothing, sir. So what is our programming requirement? Can you please tell? Write a program to read two numbers from the keyboard and print their sum. Okay, write a program to read two numbers from the keyboard and print their sum. This is about my requirement, right? Sir, very simple. Read the first number. N1 is equal to input of enter first number. Okay, enter first number. Sir, don't worry, sir, what is the input, how you are using this one. So directly, just for basic idea purpose, I'm telling all these things in detail, line by line, we are going to discuss in our session, sir. Don't worry, sir. So now I got first number. So I want the second number, sir. N2 is equal to input of enter second number. Like this I'm taking, sir. Enter second number, like I'm taking. So what is N1 and N2? Here there is one small twist is there. by default input is always going to return string. That's why just I'm doing some typecasting. Don't worry, sir, you are not required to worry about internal coding. Just I have two numbers I got, sir. Now print what I have to print, sir. The sum I have to print. The sum is n1 plus n2, like this I'm taking. That's all. A simple Python program to read down two numbers from the keyboard and print the sum. Okay, like, sir, how many people are feeling difficulty to understand, sir, anything from this? Can you please observe what I'm doing? Sir, just input means you are asking to read a number from the keyboard. Sir, first number, second number, and the sum is n1 plus n2. Is it something like English language or not? Yes, friend, is it programming language or is it English language? Something like very easy English language, like you can able to understand very easily, sir. But anyway, you worry about input. What is this int? All these things we are going to discuss in detail. Just my intention is, the people who are having the doubt, can I able to learn Python or not? Where Python is helpful? Just a few minutes I want to show the basic idea so that you people can feel okay, comfortable. I can write programs like. So now let me save this code. I want to save this program in my D:Durga classes folder with the name test.py. Okay, test.py. This is the Python script. Test.py. Like this I'm taking, sir. So now my question is, let me open command prompt and go to our location CD, D:Durga classes. Yes, I want to run this Python program. Anyway, don't worry, sir. Just the idea purpose only I'm taking. Py test.py. Okay, I'm trying to execute the program. Enter first number 100. Enter second number 200. Then obviously the sum is 300. Perfectly, it's going to come. So there are some people who are having the bigger doubts. Sir, I don't know what about this. You are executing. I'm not in a position to execute. Like, don't worry at all, sir. Okay, all these things we are going to discuss in detail. A smallest Python program which is going to read two numbers from the keyboard and print the sum itself is nothing but like this. Any doubt? Are you getting the point? So with your core Python, advanced Python, I mean with the Python course, these are type of bigger programs you can write, sir. Okay, so this is the Python scripting, especially for the people who want to move to the data science side, the people who want to move to the Selenium side. Yes, sir, this is the knowledge what you people should be aware related to the Python. I mean this type of knowledge. Almost around 20-25 topics around we are going to discuss all those things. There you have to get much clarity, right? After this, any doubt? Friends, clear? Okay, just basic idea. So don't ask any questions. Sir, what is the purpose of input? I don't want to tell such type of difficult things as of now. Okay, just idea sake. Okay, well, next, do you know? So we can develop, we can develop web applications by using Python. We can develop web applications, right? Sir, any web application have you ever used in your life? Oi, sir, I used this application. Any web application? Yes, best example, Facebook, Gmail, Twitter. Do you know Twitter? Even go to webinar. Just now you log in. It is also one web application only. Go to webinar link. All these things are web applications, right? Yes, Flipkart, Amazon, like these are web applications. So these web applications, can I develop by using Python? Yes, friends, that's what you should aware. So after learning this Python course, okay, now related to develop web application, just there is a small course you have to learn. What is that, sir? Django. It is a framework which can be used to develop web applications, right? Almost around 2 months we require to spend. Okay, if I develop this one, then automatically, you know what will happen is I will show a small chota application so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Okay, observe a bit very carefully about this one, sir. What that is, sir, I have one application is there, Durga Soft, the Django, the Django. Yes, here, have you observed, are you seeing one link? Okay, one link, sir. Just have a look once. What is this one? The Django projects, durgasoft.python anywhere.com. Python anywhere.com, like this, right? Okay, now the Django, just like this I'm taking, sir. Now have a look once. Maybe the problem is it is already expired, because if the free account what I did, it's already expired. Okay, expired. Like this is, we can do that. We can refresh again. Don't worry about that. But before, if you want a local copy, I will show for you people, right? Okay, so just have a look once, sir. I have one application is there. Now see the Django projects. Okay, DJ project py manage.py run server. Like, so don't worry, sir, what about all these things? Like Nikhil, we can develop desktop applications happily by using Python. Python is the best programming language to develop desktop applications with very less code, concise code. Remember that. Okay. Now here just I'm showing. I want to show a local copy. I want to show a local copy. Okay, like just 1 minute. Something is happening. Don't worry, sir. Sir, you are doing something. All these things. So you should be in a position to explain after a few days. Don't worry. Okay, just I'm starting server. If you want to run our web applications, server must be required. You getting? If you want to run our web applications, server must be required. Yes. Okay, now server is ready, yet so and so. Okay, now let me send the request. Okay, a local copy I'm trying to execute. Okay, let me send the request. Now have a look once. Welcome to Durga Jobs. Continuous job updates for every hour. It is the local copy, sir. It is the local copy, sir. How this web application developed, sir? By using purely Python and Django. If I can ask Hyderabad jobs, Hyderabad jobs information. Okay, like happily, the corresponding application by default will come. Remember this, okay? It is a simple application I developed by using what? The Django. Okay, even in the live also we can do that, sir. Okay, are you getting the point? What is the web application? How you can write the code? Sir, very simple. In this, let me close this here DJ project. Next, somewhere DJ project like we have just now we open. Sir, what is the code? Do you know what is the code we used to develop this one? Observe that internally, this is the very small code whatever I used, sir. What is this code, sir? Do you know it is the Python code? Okay, by using Python, happily you can develop web applications. Yes, for that Python plus Django must be required. Any doubt? So what is the purpose of Django? Can you spell out what is the need of Django? What is the purpose of Django? D is the silent, sir. Some people are going to use Django like acceptable. D is the silent. Okay, what is the purpose of Django? Please spell out. To develop web applications by using Python programming language. If you want to develop web applications by using Python programming language, then we require to go for Django. Sir, after completing your Python course, if you want to become web developer, then the next course what it is required, sir? Django is required. Okay, now, sir, some people may ask, sir, is it new technology? Is it old technology? Yes, friends, it is a very old technology. There are thousands of websites already developed by using Django, sir. Okay, just open the Google top websites developed by using top websites developed by using Python and Django, Python and Django. Like if you can observe, then automatically here top 10 sites built with the Django framework. Top 10, 25 are the most popular Python and Django websites. Most of the websites already you aware. Okay, now Python plus Django. Have you ever used YouTube? YouTube. Okay, YouTube application internally uses Django. Okay, YouTube, Dropbox. Next one after that, Google. Next, Quora, Instagram. Regarding Instagram. Next, Spotify. Like Reddit. Next, Yahoo Maps. Hipmunk. Okay, like there are multiple websites. There are multiple Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest, the Onion. Regarding the Onion, discuss like there are multiple websites. Washington Post, NASA. There are multiple websites used already. This is Django. Okay, there are sir, in my offline sessions, almost every 3 days, 4 days, every week, there are some students are going to come. Sir, I got the job. My package is 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Okay, like I claim 2 years of experience, 3 years of experience. Okay, like the people are going to approach us. Just do you know what course they learn is Python with Django. That's all. If you can aware, then 3 years, 4 years, happily you can claim, happily you will become web developers, right? Clear, right? Sachin, happily we can use database with a Python. Yes, it is also possible. Okay, like next, one more thing I have to discuss for you people, right? Django framework can be used with Python only, or Django can mix with any other languages also. Sanapati Ramesh. So just Ramesh answer is a Django purely based on Python or any other languages? Django purely based on Python, except Python code. You never going to use any other language code. Ramesh, clear, right? Okay, next up. Okay, so now, yeah. Yes, AI and machine learning also, happily you can go, no problem at all. But for that, compulsory this Python course must be required. So once you learn Python, then obviously what will happen is multiple doors are going to be open. Data scientist you can become, web developers, or otherwise like all those. Okay, next. Sir, just observe a bit very carefully. Now, so what is the purpose of Python course? By using Python course, you can develop standalone applications. If you want to develop, okay, web applications by using Django, okay, but if you want to develop web applications, then immediately what thing must be required is Django must be required. Is it everyone in the position to understand these two words, right? Okay, well, now what is about REST API? Regarding what about REST API, just aware here, just very simple, sir. Observe very carefully. Now, I developed one web application. Sir, what is the need of REST API? At least basic idea you people should require to get. At least basic idea you have to get, sir. Next one, small thing I'm talking here. Huge crowd is there. By mistake in my explanation, I may ignore some of your doubts. If I'm not answering your doubts, just keep on posting. So after 2 minutes, again post, so that definitely I will answer your doubt. Don't worry. Okay. Next, here observe a bit very carefully. I developed one web application, Durga Jobs. Assume that's durgajobs.com. Assume this. I developed one web application, durgajobs.com. If I want to see the response, and if I want to use this durgajobs.com, can you please tell what I have to do? Please observe a bit very carefully. Then what I have to do? Open browser and type durgajobs.com. Now you can see jobs information. Correct or not? Jobs information like this, right? So now, of course, it is the local copy. That's why So instead of durgajobs.com, instead of durgajobs.com, sir, this is 127 like this. This is the URL. Later we can configure this URL with a valid domain. No problem at all. So now open browser. Yes, have a look once. Just I'm trying to open the browser. Yes, I open the browser. Just a matter of 1 minute. Observe very carefully. The people who don't know REST API, what are the needs? Open the browser. Okay, next type 127 like this. Just type, sir. If I type this one, then automatically, then automatically we are getting, yes, this website. So this web application used by end user who required the services. Compulsory this end user should be human being only. Open the browser and type this one. That's all. Sir, now tomorrow what I want to do is, sir, I want to develop one Java application. Just observe, this is the application what I developed, sir. Assume that this application is sir, Durga Jobs application developed by using Python plus Django. Okay, now a Java application want to get the response. A Java application wants to get the response. Sir, I want to write a Java program. This Java program wants to communicate with this application and get a jobs information. Now this Java application can display jobs to their end users. Sir, similarly, I want to write Android application. Are you getting Android application, mobile application, sir? Android application. This Android application should communicate with the Django application and get the jobs information and display for mobile users. Okay, like, do you know here how different language applications can communicate with our Django application? Yes, human beings anyway can use, open the browser, type URL and see the response. But a Java application want to get jobs information. Android application want to get the jobs information. C# application, okay, C#.NET application wants to get job information. How you can do? So far, this interoperability, so communication between two different languages, some special concept must be required. That special concept is nothing but API, REST API. Yeah. Are you able to understand, right? What the need of REST APIs are? Once you develop your Django application, so that Django application can be used by, need not be end user, can be used by any software application in the world. If you want to provide that flexibility, you require to develop API. A small course, almost around 1 month you require to spend, so that your Django application will become more powerful in the universe, in the planet. Any software application can use our Django application to get the responses. Need not be end user. Thoda, getting the point? Friends, there is one application is there, food. There is Amazon is there, sir. Assume that there is one web application, one application is there. Amazon application is there, sir. Assume that Amazon application is there. Whenever payment details, automatically it is internally communicating with payment gateway or not? How the Amazon application internally communicate with the payment gateway? By using API. So these are type of things. What if you want to do, then we require to go for REST API. So just basic idea, nothing. Oh, in Python, by using Python. So these words are there. These are the usage like that. Clear, right? So Python is the base course. Python course itself is the base. If you want to develop web applications, then you have to learn Django. If you want to make your web application more powerful, any other language application can use, then we require to go for REST API. Okay, just observe the terminology, sir. Okay, later I will clarify your doubts related to fee, duration, all those things. Just aware the basic. Oh, these are the things we are going to get. Okay, like next, one more bigger doubt One more bigger doubt. Okay, sir, if I want to learn Django, what is the purpose of Django? I told multiple times, at least 10 times I told this point. What is the purpose of Django? Please confirm. To develop web applications. To develop web applications. Then immediately, sir, to develop web applications. Okay, somewhere I heard HTML is required, CSS is required, JavaScript is required. So like to develop web application, some concepts must be required. So like some people may ask, yes friends, yes sir, really those things are required. Sir, HTML, CSS, next JavaScript, next and after that Bootstrap is the very important, sir. Bootstrap, next DOM, jQuery, like these things will be covered as a part of Django course. Okay, I'm assuming the student don't know anything already, so I will make you best sir, just whatever required dependent things are there, definitely sir I will discuss all these things. 1 month around we are going to spend, and then Django will start. Don't worry, sir. So compulsory we should be aware. If you don't know, about these things, then web application colorfulness won't be there, sir. Without makeup, how the heroine looks like. So without these, your Django application is like that only. Compulsory makeup must be required. Fair and lovely, lipstick, these kind of things are required for our Django application. Who is the responsible to do that? Yes, all these front end technologies. Okay, we will discuss all those. Now, up to this, is it clear? Sir, some people may ask, sir, someone told even Python can be used, Python can be used for testing also, sir. Testing also Python can be used, testing tools also. Can you please tell, is really Python can be used for testing? What is the meaning of that? Can you please spell out? Like some people may ask, just for that 2 or 3 minutes, few minutes I will spend for that. Don't worry, sir. Yeah, one doubt is, any other languages should be known to learn HTML, CSS? Sir, who is asking this doubt? Venkatesh Babu. Venkatesh, to learn HTML, CSS, sir, which do you have any prerequisite? Nothing, sir. Nothing, not required anything, sir. So if you know anything, then it will be the problem. If you don't know anything, then this course is the best. Are you getting? Don't worry, sir. I'm telling from the beginning onwards. I'm only one point. I'm assuming that student don't know anything. He's coming just like a white paper. He's coming, his mind with the white paper. Please come. Okay, sir, am I already required this type of knowledge, that type of knowledge? Nothing. So if you have proper, what we call, I'm expecting either BTech or MTech or MCA or MSc or BSc, some qualification. Okay, so if you have some qualification, because after learning you have to go to the job. In the job, compulsory, in the job they are going to ask mandatory, mandatory qualification. That's why if you are qualified, learn all these things, obviously job is going to be confirmed. Okay, you are not required to have any prerequisite. For any course, if a prerequisite is there, first I will cover, and then happily you can learn the things. Srinivaslu, if you want to do for REST API, am I required to learn any other language? No, we are not required to do anything, sir. Just we aware Python. Okay, at that time we can learn already Python. Don't worry. Sunil, what is the purpose of REST API? Means we developed one web application. Okay, then we developed one web application. This web application usually used by human beings. By using browser, they can use these web applications like this. But I don't want to use browser, not by end user. Okay, I have one Java application is there. This Java application want to use the Django. How they can? REST API must be required. Okay, so Java we are not required to worry. The Java people developed the application. they will use our Django by using REST API. We are not required to know Android. We are not required to know .NET, Java. Just we are developing API for our Django application by using Python only. That thing can be used by the remaining people. Okay. Yeah. Now, Sai Sunil, if you already aware JavaScript is there, then why we use a Django? So JavaScript, JavaScript, these JavaScript, HTML, CSS, these kind of things are just of course up to certain level. I mean, these things are supporting technologies to develop web applications by using Django. Remember that. You can't develop complete application, only dynamic application, only with what we call JavaScript. Maybe in the backend, Node.js, like that, you require to use something. Backend framework must be required. Maybe Node.js. Same way here, Django we are going to use. Sai Sunil, getting right? Yeah, slowly you will. Don't worry, because we are at very beginning, first page of our learning. Just I'm introducing the words, whatever there. Yeah. Okay, now the next thing, what my requirement is, sir, can you please show some application, some testing related knowledge also, basic idea we have, basic idea we have, like some people may ask, very simple, sir. Do you know what is the meaning of testing? What the meaning of testing? You know, sir. Regarding, you know. Yes, what the meaning of testing? Okay, like Jay Gopal, just get the basic idea that you can. Based on it doesn't mean if I'm covering testing, everyone should learn compulsory testing. No, just opportunities I'm showing. Okay, testing. I want to test whether my application is working properly or not. Regarding whether my application working properly or not. For that purpose, we can go for testing, sir. Testing must be required. Okay, now my requirement is I want to test Google search functionality. Is it working properly or not? Okay, remember this one. I want to search Google search functionality. I want to test whether Google search is it working properly or not. I want to check, sir. Just my intention is how you can do that. There are two types of testings are there, sir. You may have the manual testing. Second one, automation testing. What is the first one, sir? Manual testing. Second one, automation testing. Manual testing means, sir, open the browser, open the google.com. Now listen, all the activities I'm doing, sir. Open the google.com. Now just type some Mahesh Babu. Whenever I click this one, then Mahesh Babu related information we are getting. Just click Wikipedia link. Yes, Mahesh Babu Wikipedia link. It's going to come. Means sir, seems to be. Yes, it is perfect. It's working properly. I don't think there is no problem, sir. Like you can tell. So what activities you did, sir? What activities you did here is open the browser. Next time after that, type google.com. Okay, google.com, and in the search box, just we have to type some Mahesh Babu, like and click button, submit button, click submit button or search button. Now I will get the response. In the sir Mahesh Babu Wikipedia link, we have to click. Now this is the page what I'm getting. Everything. Who is doing all this? Can you please tell? I'm doing manually. Now I'm testing manually. Yes, this Google search functionality working properly. Now I can tell success. My test case status is success. Like I can tell, sir. This thing what we are doing manually. This type of thing is by default considered as what? Manual testing. Are you getting? Now my question is, Array, why you require to do all this nonsense manually? Why don't you write a small program? Why don't you write a small program to do these activities? A small application to do these activities. So I'm trying to automate these activities with a programming script. Such a type of thing is by default considered as automation testing. Okay, the best automation testing tool is Selenium. Remember, these ones are the best automation testing tool as of now. Selenium, right? So this Selenium, and with the Python, I can write this program. So this program is responsible to do all these activities. Okay, now have a look once, sir. I'm not going to write any program. Okay, here just it's already there, I hope. Otherwise, I will explain. Don't worry about that, sir. 1 minute. I hope it is there. Otherwise, like, okay. Now here see this. It is just yesterday in my offline sessions or online sessions I did. It won't work. 1 minute, sir. It is my regular classroom notes. So instead of yes, 1 minute. Yes, no ID. ID only. Just a small program. Just I'm searching for proper application. Yes, perfect. It's going to work. Don't worry, sir. Because yes, here have a look once. Here have a look once. The same application. Now see this one, sir. So now, who did all these activities earlier? Manually, I did, sir. Now listen very carefully, sir. Manually, I did all these activities. Like now, for doing these activities, what I'm trying to take is, I'm trying to write a small program. Sir, do you know which programming language code it is? Anyone, can you please tell which programming language code it is? Respond, friends. Array, which code it is? Which language code it is? Python. Remember this one. This totally the Python code only. Don't worry, it is the Python code only. Just hardly 22 lines of the code. Python code only. Now, what I'm trying to take here is, let me run this code, sir. Let me run this code. Observe very carefully about this one, sir. Let me run. Okay. Here py tester.py. Sir, once I enter, my hands are free from the keyboard and mouse. So everything is going to be happen automatically. Observe that. Observe. Now my hands are free from keyboard and mouse. Okay. My program is executing. What that program is going to do that? Observe. Firefox browser open. Okay. And type google.com. Yes, google.co.in type. And then Mahesh Babu. Type Mahesh Babu. Yes. And then Google search. And then Google search. Now the same page, whatever we are getting. And then Wikipedia. And then Wikipedia link. So after 10 seconds, yes, this browser will be closed automatically. After 10 seconds, got closed automatically. Now the program completed. Yes, it took total time 49 seconds. Yes, the success is okay. Means success like this, right? Are you getting? That means itself is the success. Okay, like now have a look once. Here, this is the Python program. Open Firefox browser. Type google.com. Maximize window. Next in the search box, type Mahesh Babu, and then click button. Next, do you know Wikipedia link? And then 10 seconds wait. After that, close. Are you getting? Are you in the position to understand? This is a small Python program which is the responsible to do testing, sir. Senapati Ramesh, yes, it's a very common automate repeatedly activities. Even Windows-based applications also we can do that. Okay, we can automate the most commonly required stuff by using Python. Okay, this type of thing is nothing but what? Okay, Google, I mean itself is Selenium kind of thing, testing kind of terminologies. So Python everywhere you can use. Okay, that's why happily you can go for sir, Python like the Python for developing web applications, standalone applications, testing area, data science area, machine learning area, those areas also, yes, possible. Network automation, I don't think Shahid. Okay, it is the functional, Selenium is the functional testing automation tool. Remember that. Functionality testing, web application functionality testing automation tool itself is the testing. Testing library provided by a third-party software, Selenium HQ.org. Rahul. Of course, it is going to provide support Java. It is going to provide support for Python. Okay. Yes, mobile testing is also possible. But anyway, for that APIs we require to cross check. Clear, right? Yes, correct, Sachin. It can tell clearly. So fail because there is no website. Failed because authentication is not possible. Like all those things, it can do that. Okay. So that's it. So this is about it is about testing area how you can use. Yes, Nikhil is asking, is Java compulsory for testing or Python is sufficient? You can choose either Java or Python for testing. If you choose Python, Java is not required. Yes, Shubham, it is possible by using Java also. Selenium provides support for multiple languages. The same functionality we can write. The same functionality we can write by Java, by Python, by Scala, okay, by Ruby, like multiple languages the people can use. But these days anyway, so Python, the people are looking. Okay, that's it. So this is about the things what you people should aware about sir, what the application areas, right? Next, yeah, the part of Python course. Yeah, the part of Python course. What things we are going to discuss next? Some people may have n number of doubts in their mind. Sir, already Java is there. Why I have to learn Python? Next, what is the why these days Python is the best option? All those slowly we are going to learn. Don't worry, sir. Yeah, the part of Python course. What syllabus we are going to discuss, right? The first I will cover language fundamentals. Language fundamentals. Array, what are various keywords are there? Next, and after that, you know how to write small Python scripts like language fundamentals. Language fundamentals I will take. So next operators concept. Okay, like yeah, one small doubt I will clarify first. Here Scala or Python, which is the best? Scala or Python, which is the best like. So do you know every programming language has their own positives and weakness, negatives. Means strengths are there and weaknesses are there. Okay, if you consider Python, sir, Python best scripting language. Regarding it is the best scripting language. Next, for web development, it is the best choice. Okay, data science side, AI side, it is the best choice. But it is the worst choice if you want to develop mobile applications. Are you getting? Worst choice if you want to develop enterprise applications. Enterprise, mobile applications, enterprise applications, Python is not recommended. Remember. So for enterprise application, still Java is the best choice. That's fine. So mobile application, Android or iOS are the best choice, not Python and Java. Okay, remember. That's fine. What things for desktop applications, Python is the best. I'm sure Python itself is the best choice for desktop applications. Okay, like what the reason for that? Slowly we will learn. Don't worry, sir. Okay, so every programming language has its own strengths and the negatives, or its weaknesses are there. In some area, some programming language is good. In some area, some programming language is the worst. So based on that, we can. Yeah, Sai Sunil, what the meaning of web scraping means? I want to write a Python program which is going to communicate, all websites, related to traveling. All websites are related to traveling, and get mobile numbers and mail IDs. Get mobile numbers and mail IDs. I want to grasp this information, okay, to communicate with all websites, traveling related websites, and get their mobile numbers and mail IDs. So what it means, we can write a Python program for this. This type of thing is by default considered as web scraping. Communicate with the web and scrap whatever required data, gather whatever required data from those websites automatically. Getting? Size name, web scraping. Okay, now observe. So language fundamentals, operators see the concept, and then we require to go for input and output statements, output statements. Next one we have to talk about flow control. Next one we require to talk about flow control. Next, string concept, the most commonly used concept in real time, sir. In any programming language, string concept we are going to discuss. Next, list data structure. Okay. Next, and after that, after list, do you know list, tuple, set, dictionary? Okay, like sir, list data structure. Next, tuple data structure. Next, list tuple. Next, sir, do you know set data structure? Next, dict data structure. Like that. There are 4 most commonly used data structures are there. These are things we have to be aware. Dict, dictionary. And then how to write the functional programming, how you can write functions. Next, what about modules? What about packages? Are you getting? What about packages? Next, exception handling. Okay. Next, file handling. Are you getting? So here, object oriented programming, most valuable concepts. It is most of the people in Python area. So the people are not giving that much importance, but this is a beautiful concept. Compulsory we should aware. Object oriented programming. Next, file handling. Are you getting? File handling concept. Next, regular expressions and the web scraping. Okay, regular expressions and web scraping. Here we require to discuss, right? So web scraping. Okay, like next thing what we require to discuss is next. Do you know multi-threading concept? Multi-threading concept. Next, Python database programming. Okay, Python database programming. Python database programming we require to discuss. And then there are some special concepts are there. Decorators concept. Next, and after that, generators, the most valuable concept. Generators. Next, after that, assertions concept, of course, for debugging purpose. Okay, assertions is the concept we require to discuss. Next, logging framework we have to discuss. Next, unit testing. Test framework we require to discuss. and then if possible, of course, PyTest also. PyTest, okay, like these are the main important concepts what we require to discuss. Some more, etc. Small add-on extra things also we are going to discuss, right? So this is about what is the complete Python syllabus, okay, which is going to cover core Python, advanced Python, but totally Python course is these are the things, right? Mostly the people, sir, who want sir, what is the up to packages? The people are going to use the word up to packages. The people are going to use the word. It is core Python. From exception handling onwards, remaining is considered as advanced Python. Next, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, these things are not going to be covered as a part of this course. Maybe I may cover as a part of data science or machine learning. Nikhil, okay, that's all, friends. This is about syllabus what we are going to discuss. Okay, I can give assurance for this syllabus as a part of this course. Maybe some more topics. Maybe some more topics I may add. Okay, better to save this syllabus, right? Anaconda and Jupyter notebook. Anaconda is the Python flavor. There are multiple Python flavors are there. Amar, multiple Python flavors are there. In that, Anaconda is one flavor. Okay, which is very helpful specialized Python version, which can be used to handle what we call big data applications, to develop big data applications. Okay, we are going to use Anaconda. It is one flavor of Python. Okay, Jupyter notebooks, just a very basic, which can be used to write a small Python coding. Yes, Ali, mostly. So as of now, I may not use PyCharm. Just for web applications, I'm using Atom IDE. Next up for Python course, I'm using normal Edit Plus, so that max learning opportunity is more. Okay, and then 1 or 2 applications I may run with PyCharm. Don't worry. Okay, that's all. So next, what my target is, do you know? So for you people, just we are going to share, okay, one copy of all old batch videos, and materials. Okay, so that if you have the time, if you are listening before coming to the session, if you complete that video or that topic already, so you will get much clarity. Almost around for any course, we are going to share all these old batch videos and materials, right? Beautiful videos, each and everything, spoon feeding I'm going to do. You are not required to know anything, sir, I'm sure. Okay, next, so for this, all these are downloadable only. So for this, after completing every class, we are going to upload some these current batch videos in Google Drive, sir. In Google Drive, happily you can download okay, these from the Google Drive to your local system, and you can listen any number of times. Okay, after completing every session, so immediately it will be uploaded in the Google Drive. From the Google Drive, happily you can download like that. Next, these all old batch videos and the PDF materials. The people who require hard copy, then you can contact our online team. So they will courier the hard copies, but anyway, soft copies will be there as a part of these videos. Okay, that's all. Next, any other doubts? Okay. Yeah, definitely, Vijay. There are small mini applications we are going to discuss. As a part of every topic. So you should be in a position to develop your own applications, so that knowledge you are going to get. Okay. Next, as of now, the time is almost around 6 to 7 official time. 6 to 7 official time, India time, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. official time. Maybe, okay, you may. So it may start around 6:15 to 7:30, something like that. So reserve, block your time slot. almost up to 7:30. That's all. Monday to Friday only classes. Saturday, Sunday won't be there. If any special classes are there, I will intimate, prior intimation I will take. Yeah. Next up for Prakash. Sir, as of now, for this one, a small projects we are going to discuss in the groups. One banking application we will develop, and everywhere, sir, every concept will be application oriented only. Don't worry. Next, if you are going to discuss, if you are going for web application, REST API, there you can expect some projects also. Okay, that's all. Next, if you required any old batch videos, the time is not that much comfortable, like then happily there is one option for you people, right? So just if the time is not convenient for you, then better to get video access for this course or old batch. Then at your free time you can listen any number of times. Yes. Okay, that's all. Any other doubts? Next, fee related issues, just can you please contact our admin team? Admin team will update related to that. So like, is Python 3.7 is available for Linux? Akash, can you please check in python.org? Course duration almost 2 to 3 months, max 3 months, minimum 2 months. Okay, Harish. Harish, yes, Atom, PyCharm, anything same. If you know how to work on one IDE, then any other IDE same thing only. Sachin, contact our admin people. They will share the previous batch videos and then materials. Okay, like job opportunity, we are not going to. So we are not going to give any guarantee or assurance or such type of thing. It's purely meant for course. Okay, if any companies are approaching us, we require some Python resources, your data will be shared, the company information we are going to provide for you.